So we want to prove radius to tangent at point of contact is 90. We want to prove it. Then we'll use this relation. So in your 9th standard, you have learned there is a point and there is a line. Let the point be A and line be, say, L. So I'm going to make few distance. One distance is AN, another distance is AM, then there is another distance, say P, Q. My question is to Tavleen.
Yes, sir.
This is a point A, which is the shortest path out of the 4 to reach the line.
Sir, AP.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
But how can you say this is the smallest length?
सर क्योंकि वो बिल्कुल उसके सामने है.
नहीं, there is no theory कि किसी कोई चीज बिल्कुल सामने तो वो छोटा डिस्टेंस होगा.
मतलब वो
मैथमेटिकली हाँ
परपेंडिकुलर है.
ओके, परपेंडिकुलर है और सबसे छोटा डिस्टेंस जो होता है वो परपेंडिकुलर होता है. वो हमने लास्ट ईयर किया था. अगर इसको राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल मानते हैं और ये 90 डिग्री पे हमने डिस्टेंस लिया है तो 90 इज द बिगेस्ट एंगल ऑफ द लॉट. तो ट्राइंगल में हमने देखा था साइड ऑपोजिट टू बिगर एंगल इज लॉन्गर. तो ये साइड 90 के ऑपोजिट है और ये एंगल 90 से छोटा है. सो आउट ऑफ द टू AP is smaller to AM. Similarly, AN is longer to AP. AQ is longer to AP. So which is the shortest one? AP. So perpendicular distance is the shortest. Now what we are going to do, we are going to reverse this and prove here, right? Let's do the construction part. And construction says take M, N and R points on line T outside circle. Let this point be M, this be N, and this be R. Join with O. We know that OM is greater than OP. OM is greater than OP. How can we say that? Since all the distances are lying outside and all distances are greater than the radius, so OP is the shortest distance of the point O from line L. Hence, OP is perpendicular to tangent T. Here also I have to put T, not L. Theorem as a result for other questions. The second theorem states that length of the tangents from a point outside the circle to the point of contact are equal. That is, from the figure we have to prove PA is equal to PB. So there's a construction. Join OA and O with B. You know that construction part should be done with dotted lines. Also join OP. Now we have two triangles. Since we have to deal with the lengths to be equal, you know that whenever you are dealing with the lengths to be equal, we use congruency. So we'll take two triangles and try to prove them congruent. What's the proof for this? In triangle PAO and triangle PBO, angle A is equal to angle B, each 90. But how can we say that? Radius to tangent at point of contact. So they are 90. You can show in this figure, right? Then OP is equal to OP. That's common. Finally, OA equals to OB. Corresponding parts of the congruent triangle. OA equals to OB, radii, and triangles are congruent, RHS, and CPCT, PA equals to PB. So we have to use these results.